News, my lovely, wonderful people. Nigerians rise up in defense of Fubara, tells judiciary. If the Supreme Court rules to say these people are PDP, the judiciaries will be killed. It is not a threat. Well, my people, this is what is happening right now. We know that Nigerian judiciaries, judges, lawyers, senior lawyers are being used by Wike from Abuja against Fubara. And this is because he's building houses for them, he's doing things, and it's just very shameful that these things are happening and nobody is particularly speaking and saying enough is enough. You see, these are very, very terrible things that are going on. We are in a country, we are in a situation where, we can't even get honesty and sincerity. People we never thought, okay, will be the ones deciding the future of a nation, are the one rising up and trying to decide what they don't even know about. Wike now, is using judges, and we all know very well when 27 lawmakers in Rivers State moved from PDP to APC. Now, that issue is still very much on, which, the Fubara's government is saying, according to the law, which Tinubu is ignoring, and all those that are supposed to be upholding the law are ignoring. If a party brings you on board and you move from that party to another party, you have lost your seat. Now, they are trying to say that they are still in PDP. Do you get what we are saying? However, Tinubu has said, if children are born to your family, will you reject the children? So there's all kinds of conflict in all of this. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Nigerians rises up in defense of Fubara, tells Nigerian Supreme Court and Judiciary. If the Supreme Court rises to say that the 27 lawmakers are still PDP members, judiciaries will begin to be killed one after the other. The integrity of Nigerian judiciary system hangs in the balance as the Supreme Court prepares to rule on the significant case involving 27 lawmakers and their membership in the People Democratic Party PDP, according to a leading social affairs analyst. In a recent appearance on TV, Jackson Lekon Ojo voices his voice on the high-stake legal battle, emphasizing his potential impact on the nation's judiciary. The next level is the Supreme Court. If the Supreme Court rules that these people are still members of PDP, that is to say that the judiciary system is destroyed, is killed and destroyed totally, and there is nothing left. And mark you, Nigerians will go after the judges. One after the other, they will begin to fall because they are the one destroying this nation and will not allow it to happen anymore. Those of them who collect money will not live to eat this money. Those of them who are collecting this money will not enjoy the benefit of the destruction they are bringing to Nigerians. And this is not a threat. It is a reality of what will happen. The analysts' comment highlights the case order implication for Nigerian democratic institution. Ojo expresses unwavering confidence in the Supreme Court capacity to deliver a fair verdict, suggesting that the outcome will serve as a litmus test for the judiciary independence and credibility if they can start true to it. The case has gained significant attention from legal experts and potential observers who view it as a critical moment for Nigerian judiciary system. Ojo's remark reflects growing public interest in the Supreme Court handling of potential cases, sensitive cases, and the ruling will determine what happens to Nigerian democracy. Fubara and Nyesom Wike has brought the Supreme Court to a place where Nigerians want to see if they will rise up to the occasion. The nation await the Supreme Court decision. The analyst statement underscores the importance of maintaining public trust in judiciary institution and the ability to render impartial judgment in high-stake case. Wike does not control Nigeria, and he cannot be made to sit down there and pretend that he's building houses for judges while he's using them to fight his own cause against the person. That is not the bone of contention. We want to see how Nigerian judiciary will rise up to the occasion and do not allow themselves to be used on this very special occasion. Enough is enough. We will not allow this. If they try it and give a judgment otherwise, judges will begin to go one after the other. And this is not just for me. This is Nigerians maintaining our integrity, making sure that this does not continue any further. Well, my people, I don't see them Nigerians, they rise up to the occasion to say, the days of allowing them to carry out and to misbehave and to do whatever they want to do is getting out of hands. We cannot be quiet and allow them to continue to destroy the country in any way, form, or kind that they choose or feel. These are very, very unprecedented moments, and we are tired of the same thing over and over again. What we want to see now is that Nigerians should rise up. So, my people, these are the very, very serious matters that are going on right now, and everybody is rising up to ensure that truth is perceived on all fronts. Do you know the funniest thing? People know the level of oppression that Wike is carrying out. Wike thinks that, he has made himself some lord, but the truth is everybody's watching him and looking at him with pity eyes, wondering, what does this man think he is? And the sad thing is, he feels that, he is untouchable. Okay, he feels that he's untouchable because of, he feels he's untouchable because of some of the issues that have happened. He feels that, him and Tinubu is the right man to Tinubu, so nobody can touch him, nothing can happen. Can you imagine that? Can you just imagine? Yeah, that's how bad things are. Everybody's watching and they're saying, you know what, all of this must come to an end. Enough is enough. We're not going to allow this same thing over and over again to determine or judge our future. The days, where we allow people to, do as they please and get away with it, those days are getting over now. We're not going to sit back and allow, this same, unholy appearance, okay, very devilish things that are going on to continue to happen. These things should come to an end. Enough is enough, you see. So that's what Nigerians are beginning to rise up to and tell the judiciary that we will not allow you to carry out, all this nonsense you are doing and thinking that it will continue without, honest sincerity being displayed on all fronts. We are tired of the same thing over and over again. And everybody wants to know what the next line of action will be. Because once upon a time, those who are supposed to stand up for the truth and ensure that truths are manifested are the very same people who are destroying the nation. You see? So please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. Remember that you have a voice. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now. Bye-bye.